A friend of mine once told me you make a great investment when you buy something, not when you sell it. NFTs, non-fungible tokens. Why these pieces of art are on everybody's mouth? The answer is all in the name itself. They are not fungible, meaning non-replaceable. So how and where do we find our ideal NFT investment without falling in the trap of the hype? Ciao, my name is Franco from the Zengo team, the simple and secure crypto wallet. In this video, you learn where to find NFTs, how to buy an NFT step by step on the OpenSea platform, and what it means to become a collector. So, NFTs today can be found on different Web3 platforms, but what is the right marketplace for you? Rareable, Foundation, Super Rare, OpenSea, Mintable, and the list goes on. We can even buy NFTs on different blockchains. However, today we'll focus on the Ethereum blockchain. To start, on all of them you can buy art from artists directly, series or single pieces of work. So, what is the difference? OpenSea, for example, is the most known NFT marketplace. It's the most saturated one, where you can find incredible rare gems and huge collections, like CryptoPunks and Bored Apes, as well as minor amateur projects. Others, like Rareable or Mintable, are more selective of the works they accept to list. And some of them, like Maker's Place, Foundation, Super Rare, and Nifty Getaways, are even very exclusive, since only invited artists can join the network. They cost more in fees for artists to mint, therefore the prices are higher for collectors too. You know, quality and selection come at a cost. Zora is an emerging marketplace for NFTs, where collectors can uniquely find formats that are not supported on other platforms, such as Photoshop or Illustrator. An interesting way to buy an NFT, in case you don't have much money, is to purchase it with other collectors on partybit.app and fractional.art. There, you will buy a fraction of an NFT. I want to stop 1 second here to tell you, stay zen. Do not rush. I suggest you to take the time to research, learn about artists and their work, talk to people, discover. So, how do we actually buy one? To buy an NFT, you need to use some Ether. So, get yourself some Ether, either going through an exchange or directly from the Zengo app. I made a video on this channel on how to buy cryptocurrency, specifically Ether, using the Zengo crypto wallet. Feel free to check it out. Right now, I'm gonna show you how to buy an NFT on OpenSea. These steps are simple. First of all, you need to connect your crypto wallet to the NFT platform. Let's do it. Go to the website OpenSea.io. Click this icon in the top right corner. Connect your Zengo wallet by clicking Wallet Connect and scanning the QR code with the Zengo app. You're connected now. You have your own personal profile linked to your crypto wallet. Now, choose the artwork and pay attention to the differences between auction and fixed price. For some NFTs, you have the option to buy them by participating in an auction. But to do that, you need WIF, or wrapped Ether. But we'll discuss that in the future. Usually, these are more rare artworks, such as the collection of Beeple's illustrations sold for $69.3 million. So these beads have a set time, so you gotta be fast and smart about the price you propose. If you want to try your luck and offer less than what the artist is asking for, sure, you can do it by clicking here. Or go with Buy Now. After agreeing to the terms on your Zengo app and again on OpenSea, you'll see that there are some gas fees added to the NFT's price. The price of these fees can vary in time. Now click Continue. You are the owner of this NFT. Nice. But what do you actually own? You own the blockchain code that lets you sell your NFT. And by owning this code, you can literally do whatever you want with it. Even commercially, for example, selling merchandise. It's exciting what's happening right now on the internet. I've been a content creator for 5 years, and only now I can tell you how supportive the communities in the crypto space are. It's all because of these new technologies that are empowering and connecting creators and collectors. If you want to explore this new reality, you should use the Zengo crypto wallet. And if you want to discover more about Zengo, check out the special offer in the description below and let me know in the comments what topics you would like me to cover next. In the meantime, thanks for watching, good luck with your NFT purchase, and ciao!